Hi everybody, I'm so excited to share this all natural, high performance deodorant recipe from Protective Diet. Lifestyle recipes from Protective Diet are designed to offer protection to humans, the animals, and our planet. And when applying it, you're applying about a pea-sized amount to each armpit. We call this pit paste on a Protective Diet, and it smells delicious, and it's all natural. And it works. Jerry uses this, I use this. It keeps us fresh all day long. It goes on beautifully, all natural, totally organic on a Protective Diet. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Keeps me so fresh, and I feel so great using the Protective Diet lifestyle recipes. I'm saving money, and I'm protecting myself, the planet, the animals, like I said before, and I'm thrilled to keep bringing you more and more of these. And what deodorant have you ever used that's totally safe on your skin like this and works? Write in the comments below on the recipe and share how much you love Protective Diet's Pit Paste.